Canadian position.
Kilo, November 4, Quebec, X-ray Zulu.
X-ray Zulu. I went to Milford, PA for you, sir, and I could isolate you fairly well. This is KC9VKV.
This is Kilo, November 4, Quebec, X-ray Zulu. Rob in Norfolk, how are you doing today, good sir?
I'm doing fine, sir. How are you doing?
I'm great. I was able to get the antenna out of the attic and outside and made it longer. How do I sound today?
Wow, sounds good. Sounds good. Now, how long is it now?
It's 85.5 feet, and it's about 40 feet above the ground. It still goes to the same matchbox, but now that matchbox is grounded to a water pipe directly below it.
Roger. Well, it sounds good. I think you're right at, well, like I say, I am using the Milford PASDR, and at that location it looks that you're doing about 7 dB above their noise level. Roger
that. Well, I'll get out the way. I know you have a pilot to deal with, but this is KN4, Quebec X-ray Zulu, clear, KC4 Victor Kilo Victor.
Roger, sir. Well, thanks for checking in.
Thanks, Jim. Thanks.
Give me the call sign one more time.
No worries. Kilo, November 4, Quebec, X-ray, Zulu.
X-ray Zulu. Roger, Rob. 3's at way, sir, and you have a real good afternoon.
You too, 73.
This is KC9VKV and the Qso-Vlog network. If you've got a radio you want to check out the audio, give us a shout. We are recording between now and 5. We're about to turn into a pumpkin here in the next 6 minutes, so give me a shout.